Hi, Da Vinci has recently released a new color, Artemis, and it doesn't seem to be on any of the major art retailers. It's just currently available on their website. It has pigments PG18, PB29, and PR177. It is both staining and semi-transparent. If these pigments in this order look familiar, they should, because they're the exact pigments that are in Moonglow. So I'm going to throw a swatch of Moonglow down in a few minutes so you can compare. So let's go ahead and start with the granulation medium, only because it tends to go everywhere. I'm using the granulation medium only so that you can see the range of colors. It seems like there's a little bit more green that shows up in this as opposed to the stronger red in Moonglow, just from what I've noticed. So I have my water over here so I don't shake the table. Let's put a little bit more down. Really like the way the granulation medium looks. Sorry about those spills. Okay. So move this. We'll look at that later. And now let's just look at a plain wash. Just gonna put a little bit of water down first. I'm using Arches Rough, which is why it's taking so much water. Okay. You kind of already saw this in what I did with the granulation medium. Really a beautiful color. I think it's very different than Moonglow, but you can already see the green coming out with the granulation medium. And I also want to do some cling wrap. Just trying to kind of show the way the colors come out. So look at that in a few minutes. I tried this last night and it granulates really darkly. It almost reminds me of a Daniel Smith Lunar Black. And let's go ahead and look at just a little swatch of Moonglow. Sorry about the shaking. So we can compare the colors. Let me get that a little darker. And try not to shake the table. Okay. So you can already see the red coming out in this, where I see way more green in the Artemis. Okay. Just kind of let everything dry and see what it looks like. Okay, so that looks dry now. You can see with the granulation medium how green it gets underneath. I really do think there is more of the Viridian, the PG18, in this than in the Moonglow, because it also dries a little harder on my palette than the Moonglow does. So with the cling wrap, is dry, that's where you can really see where the colors come out. So I love the granulation in this. And then the green with the granulation medium. And the moon glow down here. Now, when I was playing with this last night, sorry about that. This is moon glow, and this is moon glow, and everything else is Artemis. So I thought this was really pretty. The granulation medium sort of took off, and this was the cling wrap. But when it was dry on the palette and I tried to do dispersion, the Artemis compared to the moon glow just didn't really want to move, and I just didn't have it re-wet well enough yet. So if you can see this part. So it's just a really interesting color, and I'm kind of happy to have both of these on my palette because I use them for different things, and sometimes I use them together. So that's it.